friends, welcome to my channel Excel Free. Today the function that I'm going to be talking to you about is from the text functions, wherein we can change any kind of raw or unformatted data into the proper formatting or the kind of formatting that we're wanting it to shift to. Which means, as I can look here on the screen, this name Hina is written in all small or in uncapitalized form. However, if I want to make it all in capitalized, which means the entire word to be in capital alphabets, then I can use the uppercase to convert this. For this, we have a function known as upper. If you go to your formulas tab here on your screen and you go to the text functions, you can see you have lower over here, you have proper here, and towards the here you have upper, right? So I can just go ahead and type the formula over here is equal to upper. I'll select my cell that I want to convert into uppercase and hit enter. Since I want it for the entire series over here, I'll just double click. So the entire series has been changed into uppercase. Similarly, if I want to convert my first name into lowercase now, so I'll press is equal to and lower, select the cell that I want to convert, and I'm done with it. I just need to double click for the entire range to be converted. Similarly, proper case is another way wherein the first alphabet is capitalized and rest everything is in small case. So I select this and hit enter. So as we see here, everything was small in Hina. However, here it has changed to H has turned to capital H instead of small h, though everything else remains in small case. And I can just go ahead and double click on this. Now, if you can recall, in MS Word, you already have a button, menu item button for a change case, wherein you can just select your text and you can click on that button and you can choose, okay, which case do I want to move into, and your text gets converted into that particular case. This was one of the approach of converting in Excel, wherein you really type the function. If you don't want to do that, you can just quickly select your table and copy it and open a Word file and go ahead and paste it there. And what we can do is, okay, let me get rid of these things and let me copy this stuff, paste it over here, here, and here. Okay, now let me select this column. Now in my home tab, I have this option of change case, which is a capital A and a small a together. I click here, I want this to be changed to uppercase, right? Okay, my selection has moved, so I want this to change to uppercase. I can just click on uppercase and this has changed. Similarly, I can go ahead and select the lowercase column and change this to lower. And this one I can select and I can change this to proper, which means here in this case it will be sentence case, or if I want each and every word to be capitalized in a sentence, I can go ahead and select this one. So I want to go with this one right now. And then the task is easy. I can just copy it, go back to my sheet, I can open a new sheet or in the same sheet and I can paste it over here. And the same results that I was able to derive using my formula, I've been able to do it using the word change case menu item as well. Let me also share with you, there's one more third way, wherein I can write a very small VBA code to convert my words into whichever case I want to, and I can, save those macros that I create or the VBA codes that are converted into macros anywhere here in my toolbar. So next time when I want my word to be changed probably into a uppercase, I can just click on the macro for the uppercase and the word will be changed. However, that feature is more useful if you need to deal with such kind of data a lot, on regular basis. In my upcoming videos, I will be sharing about that VBA code as well. However, for now, these are the two easiest ways that you can go about and implement. Do reach out to me if you face any issues. You can write your message in the comment box below. Also, like our channel and videos Excel Free. You can also visit our Facebook page, guys, which is by the name Excel Free. Thank you so much and have a great evening.